Welcome to Soulful Conversations with Modern Day Healers. This is your daily practice with Lizz Naughton. Good morning. In a world that never stops, we take a few minutes to find our center, using the wisdom of the 5 elements to return to wholeness. Whether you're finding your flow this morning, refreshing your spirit at midday, or settling into the stillness of evening, you are here, you are present, and you are whole. Let's begin. Bring your full attention to this moment. Not the tasks ahead, not the sleep behind you, but the simple, undeniable fact of your presence. Sit with a tall back and place your attention on your heart chakra. Feel the openness in your heart and the strength in your back. This is the posture of a person who is ready to meet the world. Take a nice, deep, slow breath into your heart and let it out at your own pace. If you like, you can actually place a hand on your heart chakra and the other one on your solar plexus to create a nice hookup. And just take another breath or two to really sink in and hook up your chakras. Excellent. And take another nice deep breath in. And this time, as you exhale, feel yourself fully land here. You're not bracing for the day, you are arriving for it. Just let that sink in. You're arriving for the day. You're welcome to close your eyes if you like. Get fully comfortable. And I want you to imagine your focus and your energy as an inner workplace. Just like a physical desk, you are the guardian of what gets placed here. You wouldn't let a stranger dump clutter on your desk, and you won't let the day's noise clutter your mind. At the heart of this workspace is your quiet center. It's a steady, unshakable point within you. As you prepare for the day, see the center as a filter. It allows you to offer kindness and help to others, but it also keeps the frantic energy and the expectations of the world from overwhelming your space. Just take a nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, find the location of where your quiet center is. Just take another deep breath in, let it out, just to fully engage with that center. When a challenge arises today, meet it from this quiet center. You can be fully present and helping without losing your seat. You're simply deciding what belongs in your workspace and what stays out. Let's take a nice deep breath in, and on the exhale, let's take a look at some of these intentions for the day that you can work into your inner space with quiet confidence. I am present in my body and clear in my mind. I meet every challenge with a steady heart and a calm response. My yes is powerful and my no is kind. I honor my boundaries so I can show up fully for others. I move through this day with decisive grace. And another nice deep breath in. Let it out. Notice how it feels to be both soft and strong in your center. You don't need to be hard to be heard. And you don't need to be loud to be effective. Just stay focused in your center and come from a place of love. As you move into your day, remember that your boundaries are an act of love for yourself and for those you serve. By staying centered, you offer the world the best version of yourself rather than just pieces that are left all over. Carry this quiet authority with you. Now take a moment and think about the most important task that you have to do today. Visualize this task. See yourself moving through it with ease and effectiveness. Be sure to breathe at your own pace as you're going through, in your mind's eye, what needs to be done today. If you like, you can move on to the next important task or responsibility. One more nice deep breath in. And as you let it out, know that you can step into your day with clarity, centeredness, and most importantly, kindness. Thank you for sharing your practice and your breath with me this morning. If you are able to ground and set your attention for the day, then I invite you to carry it out into the world. For more reflections, meditations, and resources for a balanced life, visit me at LizzNaughton.com. Until next time, stay centered, grounded, and be well. Namaste.